eternal life. The reason why we came here and teach you, if you can find out, I hope you get the true treasure that can lead you till you reach to give you eternal life, even after death. I really want you to remember. And one more thing is, you may, someday, you may also, not only the outgoing student, the other student also, someday you may leave our school. I want you to remember to survive in every step you are taking. Do not lose your hope. The one, you may face failure, but don't lose your hope. In any situation you are standing, I want you to have at least a small hope, even if you lose hope. Even after hope, even after you become the loser, there is a phrase saying that try and try again. That means you may not succeed, but you will succeed at last if you try and try again. We know that your situation is not the same because we are not the same human. Each and every one of us, we are a different persons. We all have weakness. Some are strong and some are weak. But in any situation, if we try hard, there is still a set of, we all can reach the finishing line if we try hard. So, I wish you all the best for your future endeavor and for your study and for your life journey. Thank you all my fellow workers. You all are good guides for me, as I am the youngest here till today. I know that there are many times I failed to please you, and not to please you and in cooperation also. But you have always guided me and never betrayed me, and you always showed us your care for me, and you backed me up in any way. Because of that, I could learn your resilience, integrity, and the power of positive attitude here. Though I am the weakest here, but you give me willpower to be able to face the future. I am very thankful for that. And I know that it is only because of God who tell us to work together as a fellowship and as his servant of him. We could finish the task we have here. And I'm very thankful again for all those things you have done for me. And I hope I will be able to follow what the good things you have done for me to the other place where we are going. I will try to follow, and I will practice again